Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, practical, meaningful story about managing time wisely. There was a boy named Rohan. Rohan had many dreams. He wanted good marks. He wanted to learn English. He wanted to become successful. But Rohan had one problem. He did not manage his time well. He woke up late. He used his phone for hours. He delayed his work. At night, he felt stressed. He said, "I have no time. My life is too busy. I cannot finish my tasks." One day, his teacher gave him an assignment. Rohan delayed it again. On the last day, he rushed. He felt pressure. He felt tired. He completed it, but not very well. After class, his teacher called on him. She asked gently, "Rohan, why are you always in a hurry?" Rohan replied slowly, "I don't have enough time." The teacher smiled kindly and said, "Everyone has 24 hours. Time is equal for all. But how we use it makes the difference," she continued. "If you plan your day, you control your time. But if you waste your hours, time controls you." Rohan listened carefully. That evening, he made a small timetable. He decided 1 hour for study, 30 minutes for English practice, limited time for phone. At first, it felt difficult, but slowly, he became disciplined. He finished tasks on time. He felt relaxed. He felt confident. Because when you manage time, life becomes organized. And when life is organized, success becomes possible. Final message, my friends. This story is for you too. Do not say, "I have no time." Say, "I will use my time wisely." Plan your day. Focus on your goals. Use your hours carefully. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep managing your time. And always remember, time is precious. Use it wisely.